In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make $20,000 every single month in 2026. That's right, that's gonna be almost $250,000 that you're going to make in your pocket wholesaling real estate. And what I'm gonna do is tell you what to do every single day for every 30 days to make that $20,000 a month. So this is gonna be my 30-day action plan guide on how you're gonna make $250,000 a year in 2026 for wholesaling real estate success. And I'm gonna be showing you what to do every single day. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. So you have zero excuse why you can't get rich and super successful wholesaling real estate in 2026. I have 2 amazing worksheets that you can download right now so you can actually fill out what to be doing too. So we're gonna go over that today too, so you have no excuses why you can't become rich and successful wholesaling real estate. But before we get into it, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe. Let's get into it. So making $20,000 a month. I promise you, it's not that complicated. And it's actually way easier than it seems. You just have to be knowing what to do every single day. So how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So this massive elephant of $250,000 to make this year in wholesaling real estate, you're not gonna do it in a month. You're not gonna do it in a week. You're gonna do it in a full year. And if we can divide that full year into 365 bite-sized portions, it's exactly what you gotta be doing. So you can print this worksheet 12 times. So 30 days, 12 times, that's the whole year. So you have no excuse of why you can't become successful. So right here is my 30-day action plan to make $20,000 a month wholesaling real estate. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go by week for this so we don't have any excuse of what we can't do. Now, if you go to the bottom of this video, you can actually download the worksheet. So you can go click it, download it right there from a PDF. This is actually hosted in my free real estate wholesaling course and community that you can just click and grab right now instantly for free. So click below to get these worksheets. But again, the target right here is $20,000 a month. So how are we going to achieve this? Well, we're going to be doing our step-by-step everything we need to do. So for week 1, we're going to make it really easy, right? We're not going to go too nuts. What we're going to do is we are going to call 100 probates. We're going to pull 100 probates in your county or city or virtual wholesaling market that you choose. All we're going to do is just pull the list, skip trace them, and call them. Now, you can use X-Late to skip trace. You can use cyber background checks to skip trace. There's free and paid sources for your skip tracing, but the point is you're going to pull 100 probates. It's a little more difficult, especially as a beginner, but all the modules on how to pull probates are right there inside of freewholesaling.com, so you know exactly what to do. On top of that too, the core crux of how you're going to start making a ton of money here is just sticking to 100 drawing for dollars leads every single week. Simple, easy, anyone can start doing it. Let's do 100 drawing for dollars leads every single week. And what we're going to do, we're going to pull that list. What we're going to do, we're going to get in our car, we're going to get that list, we're going to get skip traced, and boom, we're going to get those calls out there. Then from there, we're going to pull out 100 more of one of my favorite government lists, which is going to be the code violations. Similar to the probates, sometimes they're not easily available, sometimes they are easily available. We're going to pull it, and this should be for the week about 300 calls to make, which seems pretty daunting, like, oh my gosh, it's a lot of calls. But if you do the math, I mean, that's about 42 calls a day. And if you can get about 40 calls in an hour, that's about 1 hour of calling to make 20 grand a month. And so just like, think about that for a second. 1 hour of calling on Google Voice, which is free, right? No budget at all. And you can go out here and make 20 grand a month. I mean, does anybody have a better job than that? 1 hour a day for 20 grand a month? Like, no. And you gotta have to spend any money for this. So of course, this is an amazing strategy for you. Now, week 2, we're going to start heating it up. We're going to do the same 100 drawing for dollars leads to call and the same 100 probates to call. But what's different here is we are going to pull the pre-foreclosure list. So you can get this list like quick and easy, just like the probate list. You can get them from X Leads, or you pull it straight from the Clerk of the Court website. Clerk of the Court's going to be about a week or 2 faster than X Leads, so I'd probably just go to the Clerk of the Court. And you're not going to call the pre-foreclosures. What you're going to do here is you're going to actually text the pre-foreclosures. You see, the point of week 1 to week 2 is we are flexing our muscle. We're getting our muscles ready to start pulling these lists every single week and get used to it, so it's not too stressful, too taxing on us, right? It's like if you started running 2 miles a day right now, like it'd be brutal. You'd be huffing and crying about how difficult it is to do that, which honestly, if you haven't been running at all and you start running 2 miles a day for a week, it's brutal. It sucks. It's awful. But let's say I forced you to be running 5 or 10 miles a day. And after a month, you're going to be actually pretty good at it. What do you think I'm going to do on month 2? On the day, I'm just going to say, hey, I know you've been running 10 miles a day. Well, for today, I'm going to have you run 2 miles. Guess what you're going to do? You're going to run the 2 miles and be like, this is a breeze. You know why? Because your muscles for your running, right? Your cardiovascular muscle, right? Your heart, it's used to running 10 a day. So going from 10 to 2, that's a breeze. But for somebody that hasn't done any running or any muscle that got built up, it's brutal. It's torture. It's the worst thing in the world. So if I can get your muscle of calling up so it's not that bad, when you have to actually start doing real man volume, it's really not that hard. That's literally what I'm doing for 2 weeks straight, just 1 hour a day of calling. And guess what? If you want to do 3 miles a day of running, that's an hour a day of running if you're slow. And I'll be honest with you, if you can't commit to 1 hour of calling a day to make $20,000 a month when you have absolutely no money and no excuse, wholesaling is probably not meant out for you. Because all the men and women that actually became successful wholesaling when they had no budget or no money, they're willing to make the calls and the texts and do the actual work for you to have success. So 100 drawing for dollars leads, we're going to call, 100 probates, we're going to call, and then 100 pre-foreclosures, we're actually going to text them. For week 3, we're going to get a little feisty here. So we're going to pull that same 100 drawing for dollars leads, but we're going to text and call them. So this is when we start going from running 2 miles a day to 4 miles a day. It's a little much. We're going to make our calls and we're also going to text these sellers. So you can use xleads.com for your texting. It's a great texting platform and an awesome dialer. You can use it for a triple line dialer for the calling, which you can cut your time in half doing it, or you could still do this on Google Voice. We teach that inside of freewholesaling.com. So you're probably going to need to join the free wholesaling community, but it's a free community where I'll teach you how to wholesale for free. I teach you how to text with Google Voice for free and how to call on Google Voice for free, but I text and call these leads. So it's going to be a 100 calls and 100 texts for drawing for dollars. That's a total for 200 for just your drawing for dollars leads. Then you're going to text and call your 100 probates and text or call your 100 code violations. Then to round out the month, we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to text and call the probates and text and call the code violations. The only thing that changes here for week 4 is we're going to do 100 reverse drawing for dollars sticky notes. So basically what it means is when you're drawing for dollars, you see an ugly house, you're not just going to write down the address or put it on your X Leads drawing for dollars app. You're actually going to go to the dollar store, buy 500 sticky notes, grab a pen and write on the sticky note, hey, this is Zach. I had a quick question about your property. Please give me a call back, and put your Google Voice number to call back on. And you're going to put those 100 sticky notes. It's an extra 5 seconds out of your day, and you're going to put it on the door. Then if somebody calls you on the sticky note what you want, they're going to say, why did you call me? And you're going to say, yeah, my team put a sticky note on your property because we were interested in buying it. It seemed like a house we're looking to buy. Are you looking to sell your property? Yes or no? Then from there, we repeat that process every single month. So it's really cool is I kind of made a little chart here so we kind of understand what we're doing for the whole entire month. And remember, there's a lot of wholesaling like programs to make 10, 20, 30 grand a month that are requiring you to call 10, 12, 15, even 20, 30,000 people. It's not that bad. I mean, you're making 1,000 calls, right? You're making 300 calls for your drawing for dollars leads, 400 probate calls, and 300 code violation calls, and no pre-foreclosure calls because I don't believe in calling pre-foreclosures. Then from there, we're going to text 300 drawing for dollars leads. We're going to text 400 probates and 300 code violations and 100 pre-foreclosures. And then we're going to leave 100 sticky notes on the drawing for dollars leads. So really every single month, if you can commit to making 1,000 calls, 1,100 texts, and putting 100 sticky notes out, you're going to make at least 20 grand. That's going to be 1 to 2 deals at minimum here, because these leads are so niched out that most wholesalers can't pull these type of lists or do that type of volume, which is not a lot of volume, but volume for niche lists is difficult because it's a lot of sweat equity. But coming into 2026, we need to start niching out like crazy right now. This is exactly what we got to be doing. Now, it's going to require some time. I mean, for most people, it's going to be 25, 30 hours a week if you have zero, like no budget at all, but you're making 20 grand a month. So it's like a push and a pull here. Now, again, if you need help, obviously it's going to be my script. This is my cold calling script. Like, hello, hey, is this John? Yeah, is this the owner of 123 Main Avenue? Yeah, yes, I am. Oh, hey, I was just seeing if you're interested in selling the property. And then we have our objection handling. So if they decline, say they're not interested in selling it, do you have any other properties you're interested in selling or know somebody that does? Now, to make sure that this is absolutely idiot proof, brain dead, that you are going to make $20,000 in the next 30 days, I have attached my daily wholesaling worksheet, which is going to be below here. So it is so Zach proof. Okay. You can call it Zach proof. So I'm not calling you an idiot. I'm not calling you an idiot, but like, even if you're 4 years old, you could probably do this. Okay. Once I have a kindergartner, I'm probably going to hand this to him and say, hey buddy, you want your Cheerios? You want some Oreos? Well, do your daily wholesaling worksheet, bud. But this is it. So think about it, right? Your target for the day. So let's go back out here. If we're on week 1 is to make 300 calls, right? So 300 calls divided by 7 is going to be about 42 calls. So we're doing 42 calls today, 0 texts for the targeting, and we are going to see how many calls we get completed. Let's say we get 40 calls completed and 0. And what's the lead source we worked today? Drawing for dollars, probates, and code violations. And we write that our KPIs that we had 40 out of 42 calls and 20 pickups. Cha-ching, easy, right? I've completed my required daily task today, yes or no. Probably have to not check that. Next day, go through there. So if we have a week 8, then we know for the week 2, we have 100 drawing for dollars leads we got to call. So we know that we roughly have 200 divided by 7. 200 divided by 7 is 20, call it 29 to be safe. 29 calls we have to do a day plus 14. So that's what we got to do for drawing for dollars, probates, and pre-foreclosure. So we have it right there. You guys see how many calls we made. Maybe we made 30 calls and we made 20 texts. Perfect, right? So the whole point of this is it is idiot proof because you need to just complete the check and the check has to be agreed. If this happens and this happens, we're good. So if you can meet your checks every single day, and remember those days are different, right? Maybe, again, I'm not gonna say you should, but let's say you take Sunday and Tuesday off and we gotta make extra calls for the other 5 days. That's why we kind of made the activity targets blank. But you need to be your own accountability for these daily worksheets. But if you do it every single day for an entire 30 days, you should be able to fill out this entire form right here and make the required calls and texts and sticky notes that you need to have success. So this is my idiot-proof guide on how you can go out here and make $250,000 in 2026. Just follow this to a T and you are gonna be having a ton of success. So guys, let me know in the comments, are you using this? Did you download the worksheet? Are you committed? Are you ready for success? Guys, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, click the link below so you can download the worksheet and commit right now to your success in wholesaling real estate. There's been so many years where you say, oh, maybe next year. No, this is the year. Let's get it. Let's have success. Guys, smash the like button, subscribe. I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.